Hey, young adventurers, I'm Wilbur, the water wolf, ready to uncover the secrets of water with me. Here I am in the vast ocean. Can you believe oceans cover so much of our planet? But I love to explore other places too. Rivers, ponds, and lakes. Each has its own story. And yes, sometimes I'm in the glass you drink from, keeping you hydrated. Up in the mountains, when it's freezing, I turn into ice. And when the sun gets too warm, I lift off into the skies, turning into mist. And then it's time for a refreshing rain dance. This is how I nourish the forests and fill rivers again. But remember, friends, every drop is precious. If you find a tap dripping or a river being polluted, help save and protect water like me. So every time you see a stream, drink a glass of water or dance in the rain. Think of our adventure today. Until we meet again, let's cherish every drop and keep the waters wild.
Water, nature's gift, let's preserve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.